In this science fair experiment, our purpose is to see whether colors are associated with our memory. Our video will bring you through our whole experiment, results, and conclusion to see whether our hypothesis, if an object has different colors, then the color will affect the person's memory in different ways, because some colors can cause different levels of attention and impression of the object, are being supported or rejected. We also may research questions that might be helpful to our experiment and conclusion. For example, one of our questions is which color affects human memory more, and the result is that red make a person remember the object more than blue or green. And the final result of our research question is that colors do affect our memory. So let's take a look at our experiment now.
This is our experiment procedure. Preparing for the experiment, student A will write about 17 to 20 words on 3 pieces of paper with blue, red, and black pen. Student A will then set 30 seconds on the timer and put it aside. After setting the timer, student A will hand one of the 3 slips of paper over to student B. After handing the paper to student B, student A will start the timer, and student B can start memorizing the words written on it. During the 30 seconds, student B needs to try remembering as many words as possible without taking any notes. When the time is up, student A will take the slip of paper back from student B and ask what words he or she memorized. Student C will write the result down, noting down how many words in blue, red, and black student B memorized. When all are done, 3 students will repeat steps 1 to 7 2 more times for the other 2 slips of paper. Now, let's have a look at our experiment's result. The significance of our experiment is to teach other people if different color will affect our memories. Our experiment. In the first trial of our experiment, the same number of words have been memorized for each color. And in the second trial, there were 2 red and blue colors, each memorized, and 1 black word memorized. In the third trial, 1 red and black word each, and 2 blue words memorized. So in total, we have 5 red words, 6 blue words, and 4 black words memorized. This is the amount of color word remembered. Our conclusion. As a result from our experiment, we can conclude that blue gets people's attention the most, then red and black get the least attention. However, according to the information we search online, red gets people's attention more than blue. This is a big problem for us to draw the final conclusion. We still assume that colors will affect memories, but we are not sure if the result accept or reject our hypothesis. As a result, we will say reject the hypothesis because there was an error in the result of our experiment.